Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give you a short introduction about International Model United Nations. So first of all, you need to understand what is Model United Nations. It is the simulation. What it actually do is a simulation that is a kind of copy of United Nations, where each and every participant represent one country and they go in a committee, and the goal of the committee is to find a solution or to draft resolution of that particular committee. For example, if the topic of the committee is women empowerment or climate change, then all the delegates of the particular committee try to find out solution or draft resolution of that particular topic. They debate, they discuss, and they negotiate in the committee only regarding that topic. This is what happens in the United Nations as well. In United Nations, different representatives from different countries come and they talk about a particular issue. So MUN is the simulation of the United Nations. So now let us understand what is International Model United Nations. It is a very prestigious organization that is sponsored by United Nations. It brings youth together from around the world to learn and share ideas from a diverse set of experiences and backgrounds in its offline and online conferences. In its 3 years, International Model United Nations has hosted many conferences in different nations like Thailand, Vietnam, Egypt, China, and Malaysia. IMN conferences has been sponsored by multiple organizations different time. So now you already understood what is MUN and what is International Model United Nations. Now the question comes, why anyone should attend a MUN conference? So see, MUN is a co-curricular activity. Like nowadays, especially competition is everywhere, in every kind of field. It's so much that to stand out of the crowd, like if there are 30 students in your class, to stand out of the class, it is very important to add some skills. I mean, everyone is studying, right? Everyone is getting marks. How can you get an edge over your other fellow mates? So here the term comes extracurricular activities. Doing something different to stand out of the crowd. So that is why it is always recommended that everyone should be involved in some sort of extracurricular activities. And MUN is a perfect place. For example, when you attend any online or offline conference of MUN, then you are in a committee with 50 or 100 other participants from different nations. First of all, you improve your networking, connecting with so many people. And when you discuss about the topic, it helps you improve your communication skills. Like when we go to debate and tell your solution is better than others, it helps to improve your diplomacy skills, negotiation skills. And when you research about the topic of the committee, when you write the position paper, it definitely helps you to improve your analytical skills. It also helps your research skills. There are so many things, like there are so many benefits. You can also go through the MUN conferences. Then many people may ask, does it also help in college applications? The answer is definitely yes. When you receive an award or certificate in MUN conference, which is like recognized and sponsored by so many reputed organizations like United Nations or Australian Embassy, it definitely helps to improve your college applications. When you show your portfolio that you have attended so many MUN conferences, it definitely stands out of your portfolio that you are active in co-curricular activities, and you have attended so many prestigious conferences in India or in any other country. International MUNs just play as good role as any other co-curricular activity. For example, if anybody is very good in any game like basketball, then prestigious universities like Harvard or Oxford or Cambridge, they do not just reject such applications. They just see that he or she has been playing at national level or any higher level. So they give extra preference to such applications. So make sure that you are involved in extracurricular activities, not just in MUN, but as much activities as you can. So MUN is a perfect place, either online conference or offline conference. It's a perfect place to start building your portfolio. So this was about International Model United Nations. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you for watching my video.